Hello, my wonderful family. Welcome to Anno Space, where we review spiritual products that you can use to make your life more better and smooth by the special grace of God and to put the devil into shame. Welcome to Anno Space once again. In this channel, we review spiritual products that you can use on everyday routine. You are welcome. If today is your first time of seeing my face, you're highly welcome. Please, after watching this video, do well by subscribing, like, and also share. As you do so, may God Almighty bless you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your love and support. May God Almighty bless you all. And if you want to subscribe, maybe you forgot to subscribe, please kindly hit the red button that says subscribe and turn on your notification bell on so that whenever I upload new video, you will get the notification. All right. So if you just done that, God bless you and thank you so much. That means a lot to me. So guys, I'm here to review these few products that you can use for love and attraction, that you can use to attract good things in your life. All right. So here I have the products. This product is a very wonderful spiritual product. You can use this product to attract good things in your life, such as good people coming around you to become your friends without having any atom of bad intention towards you or why they are coming closer. You can use these products to attract money, especially when you are into business. No matter the type of business you are, whether you are into online business or you have a physical store, you can as well use this to attract any person that you want to attract. You're a single lady and people don't always find you interesting, like men don't always find you interesting. And when they do, they go, I mean, they go to their separate ways without meaningful engagement in your life. You can use this perfume to attract good suitors that will even seek your hand in marriage. Yes, or you are the type that they use spiritual odor to cover your body. They cover you with spiritual odor, and whenever you pass it, you smell. But within you, you do take your bath 3 to 4 times a day, and you don't notice anything. Let me tell you, one can carry spiritual odor without him or her noticing that she has or he has spiritual odor. But it is where she will discover is when she mingles with people. And you find out that those who you are mingling with will always quarrel you, will always abuse you over nothing, will always associate themselves with you. That is the things that will make you to understand that you have a spiritual order and that needs urgent attention. So you can use these products to remove that by the special grace of God. The name of this product, it is called Ganduki. It is called Dakute and it smells heavily. It smells well. This product, you can see it in a very good mystic shop around you. That is where you can see this product to buy. But whereby you do not see it, I sell it. I can ship to you anywhere you are watching me from. But the work of this product is what I just explained to you. You use it to attract positive things and remove negative energy out from your body. Okay? How I wish you perceive the smell of this spiritual perfume and you will fall in love with it. When you are wearing it, every hatred in your life will just remove. And whosoever that come in contact with you will love to remain your friend permanently. You use it to remove negative energy. You can as well pour it in your mopping stick. Use it to mop your shop to attract customers. I don't know if you're getting me. So it's a very powerful spiritual product and it has no side effects. How will you use it? When you buy it, open it, pray over it while leaving the cover open like this, pray over it and decree what you want. So it's a very powerful spiritual product. You can never go wrong with this. The name is Danduki. Danduki spiritual products. Okay? So guys, that's just the end of this video. And if you need to reach me out, maybe you want to explain to me one or two things, all you have to do is to chat me on this number 090 59825779 090 59825779. Chat me only on WhatsApp and I will be there to reply you. And if you have questions concerning this teaching, please let us know at the comment section. As you do so, may God Almighty bless you. See you on my next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.